What's up, everyone? This is the MMA Buddha, and welcome to the UFC 328 fight prediction. Sean Strickland versus Khamzat Boris Chimaev. So, our first fight on the main card is on the first card we have Bobby King Green versus Jeremy Stevens, and this is the first card on the main card. First fight on the main card, and I'm looking forward to this fight because Bobby Green had a good last fight. So I'm definitely going to pick Bobby Green by decision or knockout against Jeremy Stevens, and then that is my first fight prediction. Going to the second fight. On the second fight, we have Sean Brady versus Joaquin Buckley, and this is a very stylistic matchup because a grappler and a striker, and Sean Brady is good at grappling, but if Buckley catches you with just one shot, you're out of there. And I know people are going to look down on Brady because of his last fight against Marcus Morales against Morales. And I guess I'm going to be the same as those people because I'm also picking the underdog for this fight, Joaquin Buckley to win. Joaquin Buckley to win by decision or knockout, but I think he's going to knock Sean Brady out. That's my prediction. The following fight, we're going to the heavyweights, is Alexander Volkov versus Waldo Cortez Acosta. This is a very interesting matchup, but I am going to because Waldo has that finishing power moving in, but when we're talking about Volkov is very tall, rangy. It's going to keep you at a distance. So I think Volkov is going to knock Waldo out or is going to win via decision, but I do pick Volkov for the win in this fight. After that, we have the co-main event between Joshua, the fearless Van, versus Tatsuro Taira. Taira has an opportunity to become the first Japanese champion in UFC history, modern UFC history. So this fight, Van has a boxing stance, knows how to box, but Taira is a very complete fighter. He can take you out, he can knock you out, so take you down, he can knock you out. So this fight, I think, is very obvious. As with most people, we are going to choose. I am going to choose for this one my fight prediction, UFC 328, Joshua Van versus Tatsuro Taira. I'm going to take Tatsuro Taira for this one. The reason why I will pick Tatsuro Taira to win this fight is because Tatsuro Taira is a very well-rounded fighter, and if Van has wrestling, then we haven't seen it before. So I'm going to pick Tatsuro Taira to win this one. And if I had to choose which method of win, I will have to go with a submission or a knockout, but Tatsuro Taira and a finish. That's what I think is going to happen in that fight. And then comes Chimaev versus Sean Strickland. Sean Tarzan Strickland. The interview to the pre-fight conference was, I love the pre-fight conference. I'm sure the last time I saw it was over 1 million views. I'm sure it's about 1.3 million views right now because that was about 4 hours ago. So I'm very sure that Khamzat Boris Chimaev is going to take this one. And for the winning method, I think Khamzat Chimaev is going to submit Sean Strickland. I know people are like, Khamzat is a hacker, what. Before the fight against Jack Della Maddalena, Khamzat Chimaev finished Whittaker, where people were saying Whittaker is going to be difficult for Khamzat. Khamzat has never faced a grappler, what. If Whittaker wins, if Khamzat is going to win early or Whittaker is going to win late, they're saying the same thing about Strickland. It's either Sean Strickland win round 1 or 2, or it's either Khamzat finish Sean Strickland in round 1 or 2. If he doesn't, Sean Strickland is going to take over in the later rounds and win. Bro, Khamzat is training with Coach Kel, bro. Cadavides. So Khamzat is definitely winning this fight, bro. Either a decision or a submission or a knockout, but I'm going to go with Khamzat Chimaev, decision or submission on this one. Like, I'm sure Khamzat is going to win. And the people who think Khamzat is going to lose, Sean Strickland,